Shares of AB Capital rose after Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock to overweight from equal weight earlier and set a target price of Rs 240 per share, which suggests an upside potential of about 40% from current levels. Over the past 3 months, AB Capital's shares have fallen more than 21% compared to a 7% drop in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. Shares of IndusInd Bank surged after its foreign headroom increased in its December shareholding pattern following a FII sell-off. According to the bank's latest shareholding details, its FII stake has decreased to 46.6% in December from 55.5% in the September quarter. This reduction means that the foreign headroom now significantly exceeds the 25% threshold, with MSCI currently applying a half float factor. Shares of Biocon surged over 4% after the US Food and Drug Administration cleared its arm Biocon Biologics insulin facility in Malaysia, which puts an end to a major bottleneck for the company. The US drug regulator classified the Malaysian unit as voluntary action indicated, which opens the doors for the company to go ahead and file products from that facility. TCS shares gained following its positive Q3 earnings show that boosted the market sentiment for the IT services player. The management not only exhibited confidence over early signs of demand revival amid strong deal wins in Q3, but also guided for a stronger performance in current year 2025 and FY26. Shares of 197 Communications, the parent company of fintech major Paytm, continued to fall for the fourth consecutive session. The shares fell as low as 796.1 rupees apiece, which marks a decline of over 6% intraday. The Nifty Realty Index extended its fall, tumbling about 4.5% in trade today, extending its 6-session decline to over 12%. The index had slumped about 7.8% in the previous week as a lack of big-ticket project launches, coupled with weak global cues as a robust US jobs report dampened optimism on the pace of rate cuts by the US Federal Reserve. Shares of local search engine Just Dial sank sharply after reporting a net profit of Rs 131.3 crore in Q3 FY25, which marks an increase of about 43% year over year. However, this marks a 15% fall from the 154 crore net profit that the company had reported in the previous quarter. Adani Wilmar shares extended the decline, falling up to 9% in trade on December 13th as the promoter of the firm, Adani Commodities, decided to exercise the oversubscription option in its current ongoing 2-day offer for sale. Today also marks the day that retail investors can bid for their portion in the OFS. Shares of PCBL nosedived over 11% as investors dumped the stock after the company's dismal Q3 earnings, marked by a decline in net profit. The company's net profit dropped 37% on year to about 93 crore in the October-December quarter, which is sharply lower than the 148 crore it clocked in the same period last year. The decline in the company's bottom line was largely driven by a spike in operating costs.